Hello ladies and gents, my name's Hannibal and today I have a short video for you. Call it a special or some shit like that. So I was taking apart the Ludbot from a last video, make sure to go check that out if you haven't. And then I realized that this project could literally be anybody. So I woke up this morning and just, made a robot Markiplier. I feel like it's more fitting to call him an animatronic Markiplier because you know. But as you can see, it's basically the same. It's literally the same exact body that I used for Ludwig. I just changed the face, gave him a different shirt, and also a war stash. And if you're wondering what this does, I feel like it's best I show you.
Hey guys, I think the little man said he wants to give Fredbear a big kiss. On three, 1, 2. Was that the bite of 87?
But yeah, that's about it. I saw the meme this morning and I was like, you know what? It would be pretty funny to make a little Markiplier thing that does that, so here you go. But yeah, since next video is probably gonna take a little second because I'm trying to get a very specific piece of equipment for the video, which is making your guys' ideas. I thought it'd be fun to make this little project. And also, if you guys want to see any content creator as a robot, leave a comment and I'll pick one and I'll do another one of these. But yeah, that's about all I have for you.